Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play. And in today's video, introduction video, welcome to HQ. It's our balcony in Vancouver's West End, overlooking Stanley Park. It's a small balcony, it's a windy balcony, it doesn't get a lot of light, but there are plants that will thrive here. The first being the star jasmine. You can see the leaves of our star jasmine have turned red. That's normal and expected. So this star jasmine's a couple years old. It never gets direct sunlight, but it's very happy, goes right to the ceiling, seems to be growing. Also on our balcony we have geraniums, which really are the workhorses of a windy balcony. They can put up with a lot of wind and they don't seem to care. I'll give you a tour of the rest. Here we go, by hand. So the jasmine, you can see, goes right to the ceiling. The geraniums, nice and full. Down below we have a little cyclamen, or cyclamen, however you like to pronounce it, which are not wind hardy, so we keep them low. Same with the New Guinea impatiens. And then next to them are hydrangea, which can handle wind, but this is such a small plant and we thought it would be nice down here underneath our geraniums. Then we have some pansies and violas, which are not very wind tolerant, so they're down low. Then up top here is fan-shaped euonymus, which can handle a lot of wind. Down below here, just starting out, is sweet bay. This is the type of leaf that you would use in cooking, bay leaf, and they're a great plant, very tough and can be shaped. Next to that is a mature olive tree covered in flowers, just coming. This olive tree is about 6 or 7 years old, I guess, and every year it seems to flower more. It's not that wind tolerant, so we have it around a corner so it doesn't get the direct wind from Vancouver Island, which is way over there. You probably can't see it. Well, maybe. There's the rest of Stanley Park. But next to our olive tree is a new plant this summer, which is a willow that has been braided using 27 stems. I counted. It's an amazing thing. It's been hand braided and the top turns into a ball after some trimming, and the bottom you just keep clean from suckers, and it's very architectural. I'm looking forward to seeing how this develops and if it even lasts the winter. The one thing we didn't anticipate is because it's a ball on top, it just gets knocked over by the wind. Willows are very wind tolerant, but this one just gets knocked down every time there's a big gust, so we keep it around the corner as well. Alright, so please have a look at a few of the videos in this growing collection of garden tips, and thank you for stopping by.